is no group of people that hate themselves like black people.
Here we go!
Why do you put on Indian human hair? Can I ask? You know how we get that hair? When nothing goes right in the life of a Hindu person, they go through a ceremony called Tansho, where the priest in the temple incantates all the bad luck they are facing onto the hair, because for them to cut hair is such a taboo. But so that it indicates a new phase of metamorphosis, they shave their hair clean. They used to burn that hair because they understood that burning all the bad luck, until they realized the stupid African woman wants to put it on their head. So you buy your own bad luck and you put it on your head. So I think I'll leave it there.
After listening to this message, you will see our African sisters will not want to follow up. They will not want to listen to this lady. Do you know that our African ladies have been trapped in a way that they don't believe anymore in their beauty? They don't believe that what they have is what a natural woman on earth needs to have. They don't want to believe that the white people are turning themselves to look like the black woman. They don't want to believe that everybody is going to do BBB, how do you call BBL, to make sure that they look like the African woman. Listen to me, African ladies. The structure of the African women is the structure the whole world want to emulate. Today in Japan, you will see people go to many others. They go through many ways to make sure that they have the African coil hair. In Japan, yeah, it's happening. In Korea, the same thing. Then our African ladies are not proud of their natural hair. They are not proud of their natural eyebrow. They are not proud of nothing of them. They want everything to remain fake. They want everything to be fake. Okay, look now. Every day you are thinking of how to buy human hair. You have seen the source of human hair. Human hair is to cast away evil things that have been doing in women's life in India. And they will cast them all in the hair, and they put it. They casted atrocities in the hair, and you go and buy it. And you will carry somebody's problems on your head. You know, even you tell the African ladies that they will die if they put the human hair, they will still carry it on. Till our pastors start speaking. Till our pastors will start speaking. The African lady hears only the talks of the pastor. They listen to only the pastor. Most of the women today, they don't even listen to their husband anymore. Only the pastor says what goes. Then the funny part of it is that the same pastors that you will be telling now to tell the ladies not to, their women are wearing the most expensive human hair. That is, their women are carrying the highest cost. The highest cost on earth, they are being carried by their women. Because it's their women that are wearing 2 million, 3 million human hair. So what can we say? What can we say? I wish that African women can know how beautiful they are when they are natural. I wish they can really, really go deeply and understand how the world want to look like them. But no. African women want to turn their lifestyle into something else. Everything our African women are emulating is things that come from the West. They want to look like the West. They want to live the Western style. They want everything from the West. Now we are even emulating the West. We want to be having divorce. You will see African women, she will tell you she's not happy. I'm not happy in that relationship. Who told you that relationship is all about happiness? When you go to wed, what do they tell you? Is it not for better, for worse? Why do you want to depend only for the better and not the worse side? Who told you that marriage is bed of roses? Who told you that? Listen, African women, you are the mother nature. You brought everybody here on earth, African woman. You brought every other individual or every other race, you brought them on earth. So it's high time you have to be contented with what you have, with what God gave you, African woman. You need to depend on what gave you and understand that nature is number one. Nature is the most beautiful thing that has ever existed. If you want to be looking fake, just know that fake come with many things. Like just like one of what our sister just said. And don't just understand that the West, who know their women are fake today, just know that the West, they don't look like you and they can never be like you. Their dream is to be like you. African woman, do you know that in the West, when a woman gives birth to a child, that thing doesn't close perfectly like your own clothes? Do you know that? Do you know that an African woman can actually give birth to 5 children? After 5 children, her body will still go back as normal to show you that you are the original human. You are the first. Nothing looks like you. Stop all this eyebrow, eye this, eye that, eye this. Some even are even going to put the one in their eyes now. What is wrong with our people? Yeah? You will see today, you will see a woman now. She will do all these things and just to make sure that she intimidates her fellow woman by putting on fake everything. Please, African women, we depend on you. You are the only source we have hope that mankind will be continuing. How can the continuity continue if you keep on going towards fake things? Nothing fake is good. Think about it. There is nothing fake which is good. If God gives you a small boob, stick on the small boob. You will see a perfect man that will love you and with your small boob. If God gives you a small ass, stick on your small ass. You will see a man that will love you with your small ass. If God gives you a natural hair, try to use your natural hair in the way that we used to use, the African women used to tie it. I am a man. I prefer that wave back. It is more handsome and more beautiful than every other thing on earth. But today our women don't believe in that. They believe in human hair. No problem. We will be speaking the truth for those who want to listen. Pastors, tell these girls so they are carrying cause around. Tell them that those wigs are not original. They are not good. How can you tell them while your wife is carrying the most expensive one?